Hi everyone, Melanie Leighton here, CEO of Titan Minerals. Titan Minerals is an ASX listed explorer and developer with projects in Ecuador, ASX ticker code TTM. We've got large-scale copper and gold projects in Ecuador, Dynasty Gold Project being our most advanced asset, and the Linderos copper project. We most recently did a deal with Hancock subsidiary company Hanrine for them to earn up to 80% for a $120 million US spend. So pretty well placed with great exposure to both copper and gold in southern Ecuador.
We better start off with Linderos. You obviously talked about the deal. Maybe to get into the kind of structure for us, and also for those who perhaps aren't aware, who that involves.
Yeah, so look, we have 4 projects in Ecuador. Linderos Copper Project is one of our 3 copper projects. Look, we have done some, I guess, preliminary exploration and some drilling ourselves, which we did back in 2021-22. We demonstrated porphyry mineralization from extremely shallow depths. Hancock Prospecting obviously liked what they saw. They approached us. They undertook a site visit. They reviewed our data, and we entered into indicative terms with them back in May. A little bit earlier than that, April. And so it's a staged earning agreement for them to earn up to 80% of our project for a total investment of $120 million US, or to get to a point of a decision to mine. There's a US $2 million upfront cash payment for 5% of the project, and then a staged earning an additional 10,000 metres of drilling for the next earning phase, and then an additional 15,000 metres on top of that, at which point they will have earned 51%, and there's another US $1 million cash payment there. And then once they've reached the full 120 million or the decision to mine, that's when they earn the 80%. And we're free carried to that point, at which point we can elect to contribute pro rata once we're at that 80% and that they've earned. And if we choose to dilute below 10%, then it reverts to a 2.7% NSR across the project. So regardless of percentage ownership, at that point, 2.7% NSR is a very healthy exposure to what could be a really meaningful scale copper project.